Page 63 of chapter 3, we're going to continue this concept of learning to use the damper pedal. So, if we read what it says, the key to proper pedal technique is to observe pedal markings and to listen. The listening part is the most important aspect because if you listen carefully, you'll be able to hear whether it's legato or not. Okay, so let's try this out together. So starting with the left hand, down on E. Let's learn how to play this first. We have 4 sharps, which indicates that we are in the key of E major. I'll write that in. And then let's figure out the notes. It starts on E, then we go up an octave and play an E major chord. Then it goes to a low A, then we go up and play an A major chord. Then it goes to B, and then we play a B major chord. So there's kind of a pattern here. And then we go back to E, then we jump up and play an E major chord. So the left hand's going to look like this. We're down on this low E. And then we're going to jump up and play an E major chord, which has a G sharp. We're going to go all the way down and play a super low A. Then jump all the way back up and play an A major chord with C sharp. Then we'll jump all the way back down to play a B. And back up to play a B major chord, which has a D sharp and F sharp. And back to an E major chord here. Okay? So without pedal, let's just learn how to play this well. 1, ready, and play. E, shift up, 2, now E major chord. 1, shift down, A, go. A, shift up, A major chord. Now shift down to B. B, shift up to B major. E major, shift down. Shift up to E major. Notice how we don't have time to hold the notes. Notice how short I was playing the notes. Okay? So get used to that first. Do not proceed until you're comfortable playing it without pedal. Once you're comfortable, then let's resume. So now I've got a view for you to see my foot here, so you can see how I am controlling the damper pedal. All right, so now we're going to try this again. I'm going to go very slowly. 1, 2, 3, pedal down. Shift up to E major. Lift, down, shift to A. Lift, down, shift up to A. Lift, down, shift down to B. Lift, down, shift up to B major. Lift, down, shift down to E. Lift, down, shift up to E major. No change. Okay. And then lift. So practice that several times. It's not easy. Make sure you do achieve a legato sound before you continue. That's the most critical point there. Make sure you successfully achieve the legato tone. After you've accomplished that, we're going to try example B. In example B, now it's the right hand playing the triads. So let's take a look at this. We're in the key of C major, and we have a C major chord, then F, then D, then G, then E minor, then A minor, then F, then C major. I'm just writing the bass notes or the roots of the chords here. Since they're all white keys, we use our right hand. 1, 3, 5. So it's C, then F, then D, then G, then E, then A, then F, then C, like that. Okay? Pretty easy. Let's try it together. Here we go. C, now shift up to F, 4. F, shift down to D, 4. D, shift up to G, 3, 4. G, shift down to E, 3, 4. E, now A, 2, 3, 4. A, now F, 3, 4. F, and now down to C, 3, 4. C. And now we're going to add the pedal. Let me show you what it looks like together. Okay, so starting on C, 2, here we go. C, shift up to F, 3, 4, lift down, 2, now D, 3, 4, lift, down, shift to G, 3, 4. Lift, down, shift to E, 3, 4. Lift, down, shift up to A, 3, 4. Lift, down, shift down to F, 3, 4. Lift, down, shift down to C, 3, 4. Lift, 3, 4. And now let's move to example C. And there's a picture showing you where the damper pedal is here. Okay. So with this example, we are in the key of F major. And here we're actually going to be using an open hand position with the left hand. So the fingering is going to be 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 1, 5. Same thing here. 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 1, 5. Same thing here. You could do 5, 3 as well, by the ways. You could do 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, or 5, 4, 2. Just like your arpeggios, that's all this is. It's optional. Okay, for this one, I will be using 5, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, and then on the ending here, we can just do 5, 3, 1, shift up, 5, 3, 1, and then 2, and then shift to 5. I'm also going to write in my cautionary accidentals. I have a B flat here, and here, here, and here, also here. There are no other flats here. And then the last thing I'm going to do to help myself out is I'm going to write the names of the positions. So this is an F position, and then it's in D position, then it's B flat position, and then B flat, C, and then finally F position. That way I don't have to sit and read every single note. I can just find my position and play it. So starting the beginning, I'm in F position. 5, 4, 2, 1. F, A, C, F. That's the position. So before we play this as written, let's just practice playing the entire chord. 5, 4, 2, 1. F, A, C, F as a chord. That's the first two bars. Bar 3, we move down to D, D, F, A, D. 5, 4, 2, 1. Bar 5, we shift down to B flat, 5, 3, 2, 1, or 5, 4, 2, 1. I like 5, 3, 2, 1 here. In the last positions, B flat triad, 5, 3, 1. C major triad, 5, 3, 1. Then F, and then down to F. Let's try that again. Block chord, F, down to D minor, D, F, A, D. Down to B flat major, B flat, D, F, B flat. Then B flat triad, 5, 3, 1, C major, and then F. Now let's try playing it without the pedal. Here we go. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Staccato. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now D minor. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now B flat. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now triad. 5, 3, 1, 6. 1, 2. Shift up to C. C. Now to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get comfortable with that first, and then when you're ready, come back and we will finish this with the pedal. All right, here we go. So now notice we're just going to hold the pedal for 1 bar and lift on the staccato note, so it's pretty easy. Okay, starting in F position, make sure you have the full position, 5, 4, 2, 1, F, A, C, F. Here we go, pedal down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now down to D minor, pedal down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lift the pedal. 2, 3, 4. Now down to B flat major, pedal down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lift the pedal. 3, 4, 5. Now B flat. 1, 2, 3. Lift down. 2, 3. Lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last two measures, in particular measure 7, is kind of tricky because we do have a pedal change there. So we have B flat, pedal down. When you play C major, lift down, like that. So pedal down, lift down, lift, like that. Okay. So review that. It's a bit tricky, but you can get it with practice.